Hello guys, in this tutorial we are discussing about our first data type, that is nothing but integers, okay, or else int. So int is a data type in which we will represent the numbers, okay. Int is a data type in which we will represent the numbers and also the numbers without a decimal point, okay, and also the numbers without a decimal point we will represent, okay. Int is a data type in which we will represent the whole numbers without a decimal point. We cannot consider int, okay, we cannot consider decimal points in the int data type, okay. So for example in int data type may, okay, like if you have a variable called a and its value is 10, now this a is comes under int data type. Now if you have a variable called x and its value is 999, even in this case it will comes under int data type. Now basically in Python, not only in Python, integers have four different ways, okay. Integers can be represented in four different ways in Python, okay. So let us see all those four different ways, okay. First form of the integers is nothing but decimal form, okay. Decimal form is nothing but the numbers which we uses in general, okay. The numbers which we uses in general, like 0 to 9. So whatever the phone numbers or whatever the any number, okay, any number for the like related to cash or any number, so we generally follows this form, okay. Decimal form is it's a form where numbers will be present in between 0 to 9 range, okay. Numbers will be 0 to 9. The name deck means 10, okay. The name deck means 10. That means so total 0 to 9 we have 10 numbers. So that's why this form is called as decimal form, and this is the form which we regularly use. Now coming to the second form, that is nothing but binary form, okay. That is nothing but binary form. In binary form we will have only two numbers, okay. We can represent the entire integers in only two numbers, okay. I mean two ways. One is the 0 and the other one is 1. So the name bin, okay, the name bin represents two, because we have only 0 and 1 in this, so we call this form as a binary form. Now let us move to the third form, that is nothing but octal form, okay. Then let us move to the third form, that is nothing but octal form. In octal form we will have mainly 8 numbers, okay. From 0 to 7 only we will have in this particular form. So in octal form basically we will have these numbers. So oct is a term which represents 8. Now let us move to the fourth form, that is nothing but hexadecimal form, okay. That is nothing but hexadecimal form. Dec is pointing to 10 and hex is pointing to 6, okay. Dec is pointing to 10 and hex is pointing to 6. So 10 plus 6, total 16 numbers we have, okay. Total 16 numbers we have in hexadecimal form, especially from 0 to 10, okay. From 0 to 10, I mean from 0 to 9, first 10 will be like this only, and number 10 will be represented as A, number 11 is B, number 12 is C, number 13 is D, number 14 is E, and number 15 is F. So in this way numbers will be denoted in the form of hexadecimal, okay. So in this way we can represent int data types in 4 different ways in Python, okay. Now let us move to the next concept called as base conversions, okay. In Python we have specific functions with which we can convert, okay, we can convert integers into other forms, okay. Integers we can convert into other forms very easily without any code. I mean without any code, we already have some inbuilt functions with which we can convert one form to another form. Those are nothing but base conversion functions, okay. In base conversions mainly we have 3 functions, okay. First function is nothing but binary function. That means any integer, okay, any integer with this binary function we can convert into binary form. Same way with the help of octal function we can convert into octal form, okay. With the help of oct function we can convert into octal form. Now coming to the hex form, okay. Now coming to the hex function, with the help of this function we can convert any number into hexadecimal form, okay. We can convert into anything into hexadecimal form. Let us try to understand now with some examples. So yes, let me open an ideally. Yeah, so in this ideally, now we are discussing about integers, right? So integers means then any numbers I told you. So suppose a equal to some 10. So if I print the type of Yeah, as I already told you, type function will denote the data type. So by using this type function, we can find the type. See here, type is integer. Okay. Now if I same way, if I put x equals some 999. So in this way also we can find the data type. So type of x is obviously int. So in this way we can find the data type of anything. Now coming to the other forms. Okay. Now coming to the conversions. Suppose I have a number called as 10. Okay, I have a number called as 10. Now I want to convert this number to binary form. Okay, I want to convert this number 10 to binary form. So in general, in basic mathematics, how we can convert to one data type to other data type? By using this by using this LCM method, right? Okay, by doing the LCM with, suppose if I want to convert to binary number, what I'll do, I'll do LCM with 2, then we can do. But in Python we have the inbuilt function called as bin. Okay, we have the inbuilt function called as bin. So with the help of this bin function, directly I can convert a number into a binary number. See, for 10 in binary form, the number is 1010. See, why it is b here means b is representing it as it is a binary number. Okay, anything like where it has b, that is pointing to a binary number. So actual binary number of 10 is 1010 in Python. Now let us move to the second base conversion, that is nothing but octal form. Okay, octal form. As I told you earlier, like for converting any number into octal number in Python, we have a function called as octof. Okay, we have a function called as octof. So with the help of this octof function, we can convert any number to octal form. So now see, in octal form, this is the number for 10, 1, 2. So here O representing the octal form. Okay, here O representing to octal form. Now let us move to the third form, that is nothing but hexadecimal form. Hexadecimal form. Okay, now to convert a number into hexadecimal form, we have a function called as xof. By using this xof function, we can convert a normal function into hexadecimal form. Now 0x is the x here, x is pointing to hexadecimal. As I told you earlier, like yeah, in hexadecimal 10 is pointing to a, 11 is b, like that. So here I'm converting the number 10 to the hexadecimal form. So that's the reason why we got value a here. Okay, so in this way, with the help of these three functions, we can convert one form of integers to the other form. Okay, so I hope all of you understand these base conversions and the number forms and the int data type. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. In the next tutorial we will discuss about the float data type. Thank you so much. Bye.